mommy a story. Tell mama. Look it, that's what it looks like. Okay, but you tell mommy a story. Can you talk for mama? What did you say? What did you say? What is it? Can you tell mama? Yeah, what else? Toka, toka, toka. Can you talk for us? Hi, Mila. I love you. Look, you can still mommy. See? Your mama. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Oh, such a sweet voice.